I want to now shift focus to what's happening in Mandsaur in Madhya Pradesh. This has pretty much, been the focus, been making national headlines the whole day yesterday. And today, Rahul Gandhi has maintained that he will be visiting Mandsaur. Despite the fact that authorities have denied him permission, he's maintained that he will be meeting the kin of the farmers who were killed in that particular protest. Now, despite the state government denying permission for Rahul's visit, the Congress Vice President will be accompanied by Kamal Nath as well as Party General Secretary Mohan Prakash. Remember, curfew was clamped in the area. This after protests turned violent on Tuesday, in which 5 farmers lost their lives. Madhya Pradesh has been witnessing an unprecedented farmer protest since the 1st of June. Now, widespread violence, including several incidents of arson, were reported from Mandsaur, Ratlam and Devas districts on Wednesday. In fact, to keep the situation under control, the centre had already sent 6 companies of paramilitary forces to MP and 5 more were being sent as per latest reports. The Home Ministry too has sought a report from the Madhya Pradesh government. Well, as I told you earlier, Rahul Gandhi will be looking to head to Mandsaur today. Whether he will be allowed inside is another question altogether. But the Congress Vice President has largely, tried to portray an image being pro-farmer, listening to the voices of the farmers, hasn't he? And it's also not the first time that this kind of a visit by him, a scheduled visit, has triggered a controversy. In 2011, Rahul joined the farmers during a protest against the land acquisition bill in UP's Bhatta Parsol. Last year in 2016, he went to Gujarat's Una district to meet Dalits who were beaten up allegedly by cow vigilantes. In May this year, despite being denied permission, Rahul met victims of Saharanpur caste clashes at the Saharanpur border in Uttar Pradesh. And today, again, despite prohibitory orders, Rahul has decided to land in Mandsaur to meet the deceased farmers' relatives. The BJP has maintained that this will only trigger more tension because of the politicking in such a volatile area.
राहुल गांधी विपक्ष में है, विपक्ष के नेता को सार्थक विपक्ष की भूमिका का निर्वाह करना चाहिए, लेकिन राहुल गांधी कृषि के बारे में, किसान के बारे में बात करनी होगी तो मुझे किसी दूसरे की जरूरत नहीं है। वो अपने जितनी टोली है जुटा लेंगे और मुझे जहां भी आमंत्रित करेंगे मैं आ जाऊंगा और उनसे किसान और कृषि के बारे में बहस कर लूंगा। और ये मैं बता दूंगा कि हमारे प्रधानमंत्री और हमारी राज्य सरकारें किसान और कृषि के लिए क्या कर रहे हैं।